Hi guys, welcome to Chef Ola Kitchen. Today guys, I'm going to be cooking Ogbono and Ugu stew. Ugu is one of the very nice vegetable we have in Nigeria. It's so very rich in protein and vitamin as well. Then I'm going to be using assorted meat, different kind of chicken, smoked turkey, goat, beef, more cow skin, snail, and Titus fish. I'm cutting the Titus fish here. Then this is a cow skin, the Kpomo. I'm going to cut that as well and set that outside. Then I'm going to be cutting my veg, which is only I'm going to be using onion and scotch bonnet with this stitch. Then the scotch bonnet. I'm going to mix the scotch bonnet, the odo, and the onion together with some water and place it. Just to place it to make it smooth. Then I'm going to set that aside. Then with my assorted meat, I'm going to cook that to cook properly with onion, garlic, salt, chicken bouillon, and then I'll just mix it together, and then I will cook it until it's properly cooked. For like 30 minutes. Then this is my Ogbono, ground Ogbono. This Ogbono, you see, this one is very ground properly. Some of them is not ground. If it's not ground properly, you have to grind it and add the palm oil to it. Mix it this way, and then I'm going to set aside. Then this is my cooked meat. Then I'll add the stockfish to cook with the Titus, because it's the same dish. It's going to go together. I just want the Titus to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I take the Titus out. I don't want to waste different pots to cook this. It's just a kind of very shortcut. Add the Kpomo and cook it for another 10-15 minutes until it's well properly. All the meat is soft. Now I'm going to take the stock out. We need the stock, the meat, the water. We need that. Then I'm going to put the stock in the meat in the oven for quite a little bit of time to give it nice, like frying thing, but I don't want to fry it. Then the stock and my pepper and onion mix, cook it for like 10 minutes. Then add crayfish, then chili powder, just extra, and all-purpose season as well. Then I'm going to put my Ogbono mix with palm oil. I'm going to put it inside this and just turn it to make a very nice smooth paste. You see, this method, your Ogbono is going to be drawing properly, and there will not be any lump in it. You can see that. Then I'll let that wait for 5 minutes. I add my snail, add all my meat in there. Then I'll cover it to cook for another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so that the Ogbono will go into the meat and everything will be sendement. You see the way it's looking good, gorgeous. It's looking awesome. It's looking nice. And then the Title fish as well in it. Then I'll add the booger fish shower in it. That will give you a very nice sticky taste. Everything is just much in it. Then I'll put my ugu leaf. This ugu leaf is just like, I just want to see how the ugu and the ogbono thing takes, which is, guys, it really takes really nice, as in nice. Then that is, I'll just mix it together and I'll make it to cook for another 5 minutes, and voila. And it's I see the way I'm turning it, so it look tempting and good. That's it. Done. Is ready. It's easy like that. You know your guys. You know your guys is, he love this. I just have to use a bag to eat this. It's so nice. This is my bag with this, guys. This food is yummy. This food is calling my name. This food is everything. Oh no. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. Enjoy it.